smoking today.
It is Wine Down Wednesday with our Sarasota-Manatee Originals as the sponsor. We're in our Rice's Appliance Kitchen. Chef Alex is here from Mattison's Restaurant and Catering. We are so happy to see you. And so happy you brought some heavenly yumminess. Tell us what we're making today.
Well, we're making some grilled green tomatoes and fried burrata cheese.
You had us at burrata. The entire crew went, really? What is it about burrata that is so yummy, and how does frying it enhance that?
Well, this take, we try to make a fried cheese dish, but try to make it kind of light and summery for our summer Savor Sarasota menu. So we made it almost like a salad. We grilled some green. Usually you fry green tomatoes.
Oh yes, I read the book. Yeah,
we're grilling them this time. Kind of try to keep it a little lighter, a little bit fresher. And we're gonna fry the burrata actually.
So you flipped the script.
We flipped the script a little.
I love that. And tomatoes really kind of sugar out and get so yummy when you put them on high heat.
For sure. So we marinate the tomatoes in a little bit of a chimichurri type of marinade. With
Spice it up?
Garlic and onions.
Okay.
And well, we usually grill those off.
But we don't let you have a grill here, so you have to saute.
And then we'll bread the burrata cheese in a standard breading procedure with breadcrumbs.
Okay.
Seasoned breadcrumb. And then we're going to fry that burrata off. And we're going to fry the burrata off so it's going to be crispy on the outside, but it's still going to eat like a burrata.
Like a mozzarella cheese stick.
It's still going to be, it's still going to have the
I love that, crispy on the outside.
Deliciousness.
For sure.
All right.
So it's going to be crispy on the outside, but it's still going to eat like a burrata.
All right, so let's do it. What you got there?
All over the place. This is a yellow tomato coulis.
Okay. I love that tomatoes come in multiple colors. Yellows, reds, greens.
This is
so pretty.
like a little tomato parade here. Because we got the yellow tomato coulis, we got the fried or the grilled green tomatoes, and then we're also going to finish it with a sun-dried tomato vinaigrette.
Oh, it's like a sexy caprese, all the different tomatoes and
a tomato trifecta, if you want to say.
You know what they say, eat the rainbow.
Absolutely. Eat the rainbow and add cheese. That's what I say.
All right, do I need to be worried over here?
So I'm going to put the burrata over there.
Oh, Nikki's protecting herself from the fry.
I know.
We've got wine to put it out with if it burns.
Yeah, speaking of wine, what are we drinking?
We're drinking Bonfils Pinot Grigio.
I love it. A nice white, light wine.
Bonfils is a great wine distillery.
I mean, let's be real. We want it to be fall, but it's not. It's not. It's hot.
All the time, so.
We need some light wine.
You know you're a chef when you just stick your hand in a freaking vat of frying oil.
I'm using my gloves and using my hand, but I am not scared today. So.
How long do you cook the burrata for?
Oh, like I said, we don't want to actually cook the burrata like a fried mozzarella cheese. We're just going to crisp the outside, and the center is still going to be gooey. It has those cheese curds in the center.
So just till it browns on the outside?
Just till it browns on the outside, so you get
about a minute.
The two textures, the crispy outside and that creamy center.
I think we're onto something with frying the burrata. I'm not going to lie. So how did you do it? You put an egg wash on it?
I put an egg wash,
and then
flour, breadcrumb.
You dredged flour, breadcrumb?
Yes.
Is this a special breadcrumb, or is it just...
It's a seasoned breadcrumb. I seasoned it up with a little bit of...
Ooh, there's something special in it.
Special seasoning.
Smell that.
I'm not going to tell you what it is.
Oh, I was going to say, there's cinnamon in it.
Yes, I was going to say, it smells like cinnamon.
Smells like cinnamon.
You know what I do?
Called you out.
I got it. Come on, I got to try this.
It's chef special.
You know what I learned from Paul like
I think it's done.
a zillion years ago? Is that
it's done too.
His grandma used to fry up the egg. Like after she would make like if she was frying artichokes or something, she never just tossed.
Oh, you mean the egg wash?
And until that, I always tossed it. I never.
So what do you scramble it up?
You just his grandma would just fry it up
and then serve it with it or just eat it?
You want the fork?
Oh. Whoa. Oh yeah, there we go.
That's gonna go right in the center.
You want this delicious fork to get the goo going?
And then I'm gonna do a little bit of sun-dried tomato vinaigrette. That's what this is.
Oh.
Drizzle that right around.
Should we arm wrestle over the fork?
I actually brought some silverware.
Come on, it would have been good TV.
And we're just gonna finish with some Marcone almonds.
Oh, what? So is this on your starter menu? I've got one down here.
Okay. This is one of our appetizers on our Savor Sarasota menu.
And how long does that continue for?
That This is actually making it. When we do our Savor Sarasota menu, they're kind of experimental dishes.
Oh, I love that. Good for you.
So the ones that are big hits, like this one was, a lot of people enjoyed this dish over
Yes.
the summer, like to come in and coming back for it.
Then you
so
keep it.
This will transition into our normal menu.
Oh,
So we'll
good.
take a lot of those
Nice.
products off that Savor Sarasota menu, and this is going to be featured on our Mattison.
I think that's a
menu.
great way
Yeah,
for
yeah.
restaurants to
Yep.
look at
Yes.
Savor Sarasota
Yes,
as
for
well, as a way to
sure.
try new things. You're the regional chef. You get to play. You get
I
to
do.
put
I
things
get to
out there.
play, and this may make it onto some of the other restaurants or
yes.
the grills.
We're starting a trend around
For sure.
here.
I love that. I do want to ask, given Hurricane Helene last week, are the Madison's locations all okay,
We're all
operational?
intact, thank goodness. We're all going good. Everybody's working, and
Okay,
we're all
good.
open
Good.
for service. So come on by, and anyone who's had trouble through the hurricane, please come on by so that we can serve you guys for sure.
We appreciate that. I want to shout out again, Sarasota-Manatee Originals is doing a GoFundMe to support local restaurants. That information is on our Facebook page. And for more information about everything going on in the Madison's family, you can go to madisons.com. All right, fork going into Fried Burrata. We'll be